Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start.
So you guys, I am about going to wash this Udara to leak. When last did you have Udara? The brightness here is really poor. Let me shift back. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to have Udara. I found this place at Ikeja Second Bridge where the woman sells really nice Udara. It's not as sweet as one no that used to leak in Owerri, but it is really, really nice. Like, it's been long since I ate Udara, binge licked Udara. Like, with all the slapping Udara I've been buying since the beginning of this year, I'll just take one or two. But like, after finding this woman, like, I took Udara that day, almost 10 Udara in one day. And anytime I pass there now, I'll try and buy up to 1K on, so I can just have enough Udara in the house. But yeah, come and join me.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong. Why you never said you felt that way? You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
So, how was your night? Jesus, you
And the girls are showing and the sink is not showing, it's perfect.
How was your night? Mom, watching. Let's know
Monday, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
as you fade away.
As you fade. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations.
I'll give my come back here. Don't go. Hallelujah, Jesus conquered the world. Hallelujah, Stephen, you are trouble. Hallelujah. Guy, you guys, can you see? Can you see what's going on here? Let me check Uber. Oh God. Uber is already suggesting where I'm going to, cause sorry. Can you see? I don't know if that's clear. But Uber is already suggesting where I'm going to, cause this is where I usually book right to. Hey! Uber is the worst. Jesus. Economy has shown. Let's hope that I'll find a ride though. God, I beg.
Black fingers upon the beat. This how much?
How much is meat pie?
You said this is
So on this day, Isn't and I went for movie day. We went to see this movie that is currently trending, Real Love. So we went to see it in this cinema. So before we got upstairs, we were actually really hungry. So we branched to the mall downstairs and we got like some snacks. But you guys, the meat pie I bought from this place was really below my expectation. For something that was 1-2, it really didn't taste nice at all. And for someone that knows how to make good meat pie and has eaten good meat pie, that meat pie was an apology. Anyways, we watched the movie, we're done with the movie, and yeah, that was it. Thank you also so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a huge thumbs up, leave a kind comment, share this video, and hopefully I am going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss, mwah. Love ya.